Guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can set your Facebook profile status. So guys, the status will be for 24 hours and your friends can see that status for 24 hours. That will be visible to your friends for 24 hours. So how are you going to do it? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, here you will find the option set status. So you need to tap on set status, and here is the option that where you can select the status. Here you will find that your status will be visible to friends for 24 hours. So there are options that you can choose from: listening to, feeling sleepy, working, happy, snaking, anything if you want to select from here. But if you want to select a different emoji which is available here, there are many options that you can select from. You can select any emoji, and once you select any emoji, so just for example, I select this emoji, and once you select an emoji, you can write down here anything that you want to add to your status. So I will just say that traveling to countryside. So once I add that one, all you need to do is to tap on update. So once you tap on update, so as you can see now, just below my profile name, you will find that emoji and the text that I added. It will be for 24 hours. So if you want to edit it or you want to remove it, just tap on the status again. So once you tap on the status again, here you can, what are you up to, you can add something else, or you can just, if you want to remove the status, you can just tap on remove, and then they will say, are you sure? So you need to just tap on remove again, and the status will be removed from here. As you can see, it disappeared from here. So guys, this is all it takes that you can set your profile status on Facebook for 24 hours with your friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.